Hi, it's Stuart Robertson, CEO of ShareBuilder 401k, and I'm here to talk to you today about how a self-employed person can take advantage of what shouldn't really be a secret, and that's how to save up to $69,000 in a solo 401k plan. When you're a self-employed person with a 401k plan, you're the employee and you're the employer. So you can do contributions as both. So you can put in $23,000 generally as an employee, or 50, you can do more than that, but we won't get into that here. But as the employer, you can do quite a bit more to match, if you will, or to provide a profit share into your plan. And the great thing about the 401k, obviously, is that you get to save tax deferred, and it helps you basically grow money tax-free until you use it in retirement. Great way to drop your taxes for the current calendar year. And stick around to the end of the video because we have an update on what's happening in 2025. It's exciting to me because these numbers always increase. So let's take an example to make this a little more real for you. Whether you're a sole prop, single member, LLC, S Corp, C Corp, you name it, as a self-employed person, you're gonna be able to put away money as the employer. But it's really gonna vary by how much your entity earned, as well as what type of entity you are. And that's why calculators are really helpful. Like if you're a C Corp, it's straightforward, it's 25% of your W-2 income. But most aren't, right? Most people aren't in that situation. So let's take an example, single member LLC, $156,000 they earned. So they're not going to get to $69,000 as a potential. We have calculators, and actually we'll show it here for you. They put in $23,000 as an employee, good for them, right? And now they're trying to figure out how much can I put away as an employer for retirement, in addition to what they've done as the employee. When they run the calculator here, you can see they can put in almost another $29,000 for the year to get them close to $52,000, which is a lot to put away for retirement. It's a lot to drop your taxes, might drop you a tax bracket for the current year. And just so you know, you don't have to put in that amount, but it lets you know what you could put in, and then you'll determine what's right for you based on your savings and tax needs. And like I said, should not be a secret. Now, here's the other thing to think about. You have until your tax deadline. So for a lot of people, that'll be around 4/15 in the coming year. So a lot of time to see how you did during the year, review your calculations. You know, tax advisor looking over stuff's always a good thing to verify it's where you want it to be. And how much do you actually want a profit share? You may or may not want to max it out. But regardless, it's a lot of money. Hey, it's Stuart Robertson coming to you from the future. Well, sort of. 2025 contribution limits in your 401k plan just came out from the IRS recently. As the employee, the number went up from 23,000 to 23,500. Pretty exciting. And then with matching, or if you're self-employed and you're matching yourself and your earnings are big enough, it's a potential with employee and employer contributions to get up to $70,000 into your 401k account in 1 year, in 2025. Let's say you're 50 years old and you qualify for catch-up. Well, that's additional money you could put in there. So that's another $7,500. So $23,500, $7,500 as an employee, that's 30. You could actually get to $77,500 into a 401k account. And now there's a new super catch-up for those 60 to 63. Yeah, that's right. It just started in 2025 just for this age group. But they can actually, instead of the $7,500, put in $11,250 in addition. So that would be $81,250 potentially in a 401k plan. And that is big stuff for retirement and tax savings. Hope this is helpful. You can read more on our site. Subscribe if you can, because we have a lot of great content coming at you. And happy saving.